Come test drive this 2006 Nissan Armada. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including an automatic dimming rearview mirror, rear parking sensors, adjustable pedals, a roof rack, rear wipers, and more. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to rear park assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.